everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. For this week, I'm going to be memory planning the week of April 5th. I almost said March again. In my Recollections Celestial planner, I've already pre-planned the week with a kit from Aurora and Avalon Creations, which is the shop that's no longer open, unfortunately, but I used to PR for them, so I have this really pretty kit, and it's the week of my anniversary, my wedding anniversary. And it's kind of like love themed, so I thought it was really cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the blank spots day by day and just memory keep with things that happened and things that I did. So let's go ahead and get started with Monday. First, I'm going to take this pretty sampler I got from an order from the Pretty Pink Co. And there's this cute squiggle divider thing on there that I'm going to just add underneath the filming section since I thought it could use a little bit of planner sprucing jewelry or whatever embellishments right there. And then I'm going to take this really pretty scalloped corner from the Giving Girl where she actually used to have these cutouts too. The actual holes are cut out. So it's like a true scalloped little eyelet thing. Very cute. But I know that she doesn't sell them anymore because they were kind of a hassle. A little few too many oops resulted from them not cutting out. So if you got these, then you're an OG and they're really cute. So I had a lot of trouble layering these together how I liked it. But anyways, I'm just going to take that eyelet scallop from the Giving Girl and then a Dash of Sun Designs floral deco and a virtual learning sheet because there was no school on Monday. It was the day after the spring break, but the teachers took Monday off. And then that no school script is a script from Piper Paper Company. I just kind of cut the footage out of me getting that for some reason. So yeah, I was having a really hard time layering this in a way that I liked because I didn't want to cover up all of the purple from the scallop corner because it's a really pretty purple that matches the kit like very well. So I don't want to, you know, cover up all that purple. It's so gorgeous. And the no school script is actually quite long. It almost spans the entire width of the box. So I was struggling, y'all. So trust me, I cut out a lot of footage from this, but it took me a while to play around with that and figure out what I liked. Anyways, I finally got it how I liked, and then I grabbed a half box from the kit. And I have this cute little deco sheet from, it's a Clever Girl Crafts and Rose and Tea Shop collab from the Rose and Tea Shop anniversary bundle. It's so pretty. It's got the flowers and the butterflies and the macarons, and it's so cute, and I'm glad I found it because I forgot about it. And I thought the greens would look nice with this kit, so I'm going to layer that one little green flag with the flowers, and then I have a clear icon from a sampler from the Graceful Planner with a shopping bag, since we went to Big Five Sporting Goods to get some rollerblades for my son, because he is kind of like really big into like learning how to skate all of a sudden. So we went to the sports store to go get some. Oh, and then I used a flourish squiggly pen flourish thingy from Honey Inked underneath the no school section there, since there's just kind of that awkward white space. For my gratitude on Monday, I wrote found skates because there was actually quite a limited selection of skates. I think there was maybe like 5 different kinds to choose from, and then there was barely any that were even in his size. It was quite difficult, but we found some. Then moving on to Tuesday, I have this really, really old divider sheet from Colored Daze. I don't know if you caught that, but it actually says her Etsy in the corner. That's how old it is. And it's a purple foil that I got in an Oops grab bag from her a really long time ago. And I'm glad I found it because I was looking around and I was like, oh my gosh, purple foil dividers. How perfect for this week. So I'm going to use one of those pretty viney purple floraled or purple foiled dividers. And then I'm going to take a third box from the kit and a Dash of Sun Designs. That's from my freebie. I wanted some like flowery kind of stuff on my freebie, and then also that cute weight with the bow icon. It's just so cute. So I'm going to layer those together, and then a workout script from Sticker Guru, which by the way, those are both shops that I PR for, Dash of Sun Designs and Sticker Guru. So make sure you check the description for my code. That way you can save and get my freebies. So yeah, I worked out on Tuesday. I work out every day, but if I don't have too much to mark, then I'll just mark, you know, average things. So anyways, then I'm going to take one of these purple corners that come in the kit, and then I have a really old a bow header from the Giving Girl. She doesn't sell those kind anymore, but I have them, and the green matches pretty well, I think. And then I have this cute yawning pink unicorn from Stardust Stickers. She sent those to me as a freebie when I had placed an order from her a long time ago because I really needed a nap on Tuesday. I was just really tired. I didn't sleep too well. I thought the pink unicorn was pretty cute because she's tired, and also there's like little hints of pink in the kit, so I think it works. For my gratitude on Tuesday, I wrote support in the community because I love our little planner community. Then on to Wednesday, I'm going to take another one of these really pretty fancy bowstring boxes from the Giving Girl, the same one that I used in the upper left corner where I put the April script, except it's a different shape. And then I just wrote Pep Boys quote because when I got my oil change yesterday, as you can see, there's the oil change sticker right there. They also had like a lot of work that they recommended doing because there's some damage to my suspension. I think it's just average wear and tear, so I don't think it's, you know, it's nothing like crazy. But anyways, the Nissan dealership obviously quotes a lot more because their like specialty is Nissan. So we went and got a Pep Boys quote to see if they could do it a little bit lower. So I'm just marking that with the fancy bowstring box and then a honey inked pen flourish divider that I cut so that way it could kind of look a little more unique and fit in there better. And then I'm just going to take a car icon from Strawberry Creek Studio and then a pretty heart divider squiggle thing from the Pretty Pink Co. and layer those all together. And then also I'm going to grab a Rose Colored Daze doodle arrow. I feel like I pointed it towards the box, but I kind of feel like maybe I should have had it pointing towards the car. I don't know. Either way, it's still a cute little arrow. And that's pretty much all that I did for Wednesday. For my gratitude, I wrote that I did my nails under an hour. As you can see, they're kind of just a plain pink, but it is pretty. And it usually takes me a really long time to do my nails, like we're talking like 2 hours, but that's because I do like a full mani every single time too, with like the cuticles and the filing and all that stuff. But I was just like really in a hurry and it was kind of late and I wanted to challenge myself to just do my nails as fast as I possibly could and just make them just polish and that's it. So it took me an hour. Then because I did not upload my March highlights, I used a script from the Giving Girl, one that says canceled and one that says rescheduled, because I'm going to be uploading that March highlights video next week instead. So then that was it for Wednesday's gratitude and then updating that stuff. Anyways, moving on to Thursday, I'm going to take another one of the eyelet scallops from the Giving Girl and then a Crafts by Towie postal carrier truck. And underneath the truck, there's a little, white space there. I just wanted to cover up with a green transparent dot from the Giving Girl. And that's because I had to go to the post office on Thursday. Thursday was a really busy day. I had a lot of like errands and things to run and go to. I had to drop off some Happy Mail that I've been meaning to send for weeks. And so I went to the post office. Then while we were out, we needed to go to Petco because we need more bugs for my son's bearded dragon and also kitty litter and cat food. So I'm grabbing one of the cute new designs of the cat butts from Strawberry Creek Studio and just writing in that we went to Petco. And then I'm going to take another Rose Colored Daze purple divider. I wish I could just use this whole entire sheet throughout the whole week, but that would probably be like a ton of dividers. But it's just sad because it's like, when am I ever going to use those again, I'm going to try to make a mental note and keep it in the back of my mind that if I ever use a purple heavy kit, grab the dividers. Then I'm going to grab a third box from the kit, and that's why the divider's in between there, because I don't like box on box, So I'm going to use the third box to mark that we went to Starbucks, and I used a Bowbucks icon from Fox and Pip and then a Starbucks script from Sticker Guru. And then I'm going to take that collab sheet from Clever Gal Crafts and use one of these circular pretty flower icons, and then a honey inked butterfly. It's from the Gathered Plans freebie, I think. Just because I had to go run to my mom's house because she needed me to get her some groceries, and so we got some groceries and I dropped those off at her house. And the Starbucks, I have to mention, it was really good. I tried out this new recipe that tasted basically kind of like almost like a boba milk tea without the boba pearls, and it was so yummy. If you want to know how to order it, just ask me in the comments and I will let you know, since obviously if I have to go look, I don't remember how to order it, but also you'll probably want to have it like visually, you know what I mean? Than somebody like telling you and you're like, I can't remember all that. Anyways, let me know if you want the recipe. So for my gratitude on Thursday, I wrote productive day, and I just checked off a few other things that I also did from my, sidebar checklist. And then on to Friday, I'm going to grab another Clever Gal Crafts collab collab sheet, icon. Yeah, with the heart, of course, her classic heart, and layer that with a couple of the Giving Girl dots just to mark that I dropped off my son at my in-laws' house, so that way my husband and I could have like a nice dinner alone, a nice quiet dinner. And I just hated the way that I wrote that, so I'm just gonna white it out. And I just hate that the Recollections Celestial paper is this like off-white color, because then it's like, ugh, the whiteout stands out so much. If I could get like an off-white whiteout, that'd be great. Or if they would just make their paper white, that'd be even better. Anyways, though, so I just dropped off my son, and then I'm gonna grab this pretty fun-sized kind of midi box fancy thing from the Pretty Pink Co sampler and write the name of the hot pot place that we went to for dinner, which was our first time trying hot pot. Also, I'm gonna layer that with the Hazel sticker and Rose and Tea Shop collab. That was from their, not the same one as the Clever Girl Crafts anniversary box, but like their last year's. Anyway, I'm gonna grab the one that looks like soup because it was hot pot, and I just kind of didn't center hot pot very well, so I'm just rewriting it. At least the sticker's white, so you can't see the whiteout. But yeah, it was our first time trying hot pot. It was all you can eat hot pot and all you can eat sushi, so you know we left super full, and I love sushi. Sushi's my favorite. I'm obsessed. The hot pot was a little confusing, honestly, because we've never done it before. And so I knew that we couldn't just like dump everything in because I was like, it's going to overcook, you know? But I was like, I didn't really know what to do. My husband dumped everything in. I was like, babe, no. It was fun though. And now we know better what to do for next time. I wish there was like instructions on the menu or something. But anyways, for my gratitude, I wrote hot pot, and also of course being married for 5 years. But I just couldn't fit all that because I had to share the fifth, gratitude for the whole entire weekend. So anyway, moving on to Saturday, I just checked off my checklist, and I kind of had like a headache all day. I don't know why. Thankfully it only lasted for a day, but I just used a Coffee Monsters Co. like headache emoji with the Dash of Sun Designs Botanical, and then a Pretty Pink Co. swirly squiggle thing to write in that had that headache all day. And I wrote in the movie we watched together for our little movie night. It was called Real Steel, which is like this action robot kind of movie. Not my kind of favorite thing. I'm just not like an action movie fan, but my family liked it, so that's nice. And my gratitude I wrote was clean kitchen. I was just really grateful that I was barely able to manage to clean the kitchen. Sometimes it's the little things, you know. Then for Sunday, I'm going to take a half box from the kit, and then these little fakes from the deco section, which are really pretty. The kit came with some really gorgeous deco, I have to admit. Then I'm going to take another one of those bow dividers from the Giving Girl and just kind of top the top of the half box because I thought it looked cute. And then I'm going to take another one of the honey inked mandalas that I used up in the top left corner. I'm just going to cut it in half since only a little corner will fit right there. And then the half box is just to mark that we are going to have a little day at the park. I'm currently recording my voiceover on Sunday, so we have not gone to the park yet. We're waiting for the sun to go down a little bit. So fingers crossed, as long as nothing else like goes wrong, then yeah, we're going to plan to go to the park because my son has been wanting to, use his new skates and stuff. He's been using them in the neighborhood, but sometimes there's kind of rocky, uneven areas. And so we're hoping to find like a clear path for him to skate at on the park and have fun. Then I just filled in my checklist and I used an edit icon, like an edit bow icon from Dash of Sun Designs because I'm editing this memory plan with me. Then I'm taking this pen flourish again from the honey inked, and then one of these pretty, the Pretty Pink Co. It's like a box. I don't know. Is it a third? It's kind of a third box, I think. And it's just got the pretty like line and bow on the top. And then I have this really cute, gorgeous sampler from Planning with Anna that I got from, I don't know, it was from a box. Oh, I think it was the Hazel sticker anniversary box. And she had a whole tarot theme. It was super cute. So I'm using the tarot cards and then the tarot reading because I do try to tarot read, pull a card every day. And so I happened to do that on Sunday as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in and preemptively put that I'm grateful for family time for my gratitude, and then migrate the tasks that I didn't get to finish this week, and then try to add this weird swiggle that I just couldn't get right, and then that about sums up my week. And that's going to be everything for this memory plan with me. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because I appreciate your support. It helps out my channel and my videos. Thank you so much if you do. Be sure you're subscribed if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. I upload 2 to 3 videos a week, so subscribe so you don't miss them out. So you don't miss out. And like I said, leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to say hi, I'll say hi back. I love responding to all my comments and talking to y'all and making friends, so definitely leave me a comment. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!